How to connect with someone on LinkedIn. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can connect with someone on LinkedIn. So to do that, first of all, go to linkedin.com or simply open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you've done that, simply log into your account. Now, once you're logged in, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to simply tap on the option My Networks. After that, make sure you choose connections on the left side of the screen. After that, you will see the list of all of the different people whom you may know and you may be able to connect. Now, make sure that you don't connect to all of these people unlike you do on Facebook, where you add friend to every single person you see. In LinkedIn, you must only connect to people whom you really want to connect and who may be beneficial to you. So don't go randomly connecting with people who have no use for you or who you don't need. So let's say to connect with them, all you have to do is simply tap on the connect option, which is right over here. But before you connect, make sure you view their profile and simply know more about them and decide whether they will be useful to you in the future or not. And only if they will be useful to you in the future, make sure to connect with them. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys. And if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.